Yeah, this is the unlock.
Hey Marco.
So,
If you're traveling with little ones or expecting, please see the contact card for more information. We'll do all the driving.
We recently had the most incredible experience in San Francisco, and I just had to share it with you all. It was our first time trying out Waymo's driverless taxis, and let me tell you, it felt like stepping into the future. We used the service multiple times during our visit to explore the city, including a trip to the iconic Golden Gate Bridge and other popular spots around San Francisco. From start to finish, the experience was smooth, affordable, and honestly, pretty mind-blowing. The ride experience first of all. Let's talk about comfort. The car itself is sleek, modern, and designed for ultimate convenience. It's typically a Jaguar I-PACE electric SUV, outfitted with advanced sensors, cameras, and radar systems all over the roof and body. The interior is spotless, with spacious seating and a minimalist design that feels almost futuristic. As soon as we stepped in, the car welcomed us with a friendly display screen. You can set your preferences for temperature, music, or even choose to ride in silence. Everything is at your fingertips. We played some of our favorite tunes and enjoyed the ride while soaking in the city views. One of the coolest parts, the panoramic windows and lack of a driver meant we could focus completely on the sights around us without distractions. Driving through the streets of San Francisco with the Bay Area skyline in view felt like a scene straight out of a sci-fi movie. The technology now. Let's geek out for a moment about the tech. Waymo uses some seriously advanced AI and autonomous driving systems. The car is packed with an array of sensors and cameras that can see in every direction, even in challenging conditions like rain or fog. It navigates seamlessly through traffic, merges onto highways, and handles busy intersections like a pro. We were amazed at how it anticipated every little thing, slowing down for pedestrians, stopping for red lights, and even navigating around construction zones. What's wild is that it did all of this without anyone in the driver's seat. There's a little screen in the back seat that shows what the car sees in real time. And watching it detect and respond to its surroundings was fascinating. Affordability and convenience. Another thing we loved was how affordable it was. Compared to traditional taxis or even rideshare apps, the fares were very reasonable. Plus, the app makes it super simple to book your ride. You just open the Waymo app, drop a PIN for your pickup and destination, and within minutes, a car pulls up. It's all contactless and so easy to use. We felt completely safe the entire time. There's even an option to contact customer support or end the ride early if needed, but everything was so smooth that we never even thought about it. How we felt at first. We were a bit nervous. After all, it's not every day you ride in a car without a driver. But within minutes, that nervousness turned into pure excitement and awe. It felt surreal to trust the car entirely, but the smooth driving and flawless execution quickly won us over. By the end of the trip, we were just talking about how this technology could completely transform transportation. It's not just convenient and fun, but also a game changer for reducing traffic and carbon emissions. About Waymo, for those who don't know, Waymo is a subsidiary of Alphabet, Google's parent company, and they've been at the forefront of self-driving technology for years. Their goal is to make transportation safer and more accessible for everyone, and based on our experience, they're absolutely nailing it. Final thoughts: if you ever get the chance to visit San Francisco, we highly recommend trying out Waymo's driverless taxis. It's affordable, comfortable, and an experience you'll never forget. Whether you're heading to the Golden Gate Bridge, Fisherman's Wharf, or just exploring the city streets, this is the future of transportation, and you can be part of it right now. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel and tech content. Have you tried a driverless taxi yet? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.